The latest Closing the Gap report shows successive governments have failed to meet targets in health and employment for Indigenous Australians, but have made improvements in education. Let's go live now to our political reporter, Eliza Edwards. Eliza, there are some targets on track, so let's start with the positive. What are they?
Well, Laura, there have been some improvements when it comes to the number of Indigenous Australians enrolled in early education and finishing high school as well, but there's been very little change when it comes to mortality rates, school attendance and employment outcomes. They all remain poor, and the life expectancy for Indigenous Australians is still much lower than non-Indigenous Australians. So there is an acknowledgement that the targets set in 2008 have failed, that there is the need for a major refresh now. The Prime Minister will deliver this report to Parliament today, and in his speech he's expected to say that despite the best of intentions, until recently Closing the Gap was never a partnership with Indigenous people. We believed we knew better, we don't. So the new targets are expected to be set in April. Scott Morrison making it clear there that Indigenous Australians will be brought to the table, and he says that the only way to close the gap now is for local leaders to be driving the process. Laura?